What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a new Captain America from the Falcon and Winter Soldier. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that out. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Going up and then bending that out. And then we'll go back to the inside and curl up the brow. Starting on the left, curve this in and up. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside. Let's add a small highlight on the top left side of each eye. Starting on the left, I'm going to draw a small circle, coming in and then up underneath the brow. I'm going to line this up on the right side. This will get tucked up underneath a little bit higher. And it'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we're going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. So start over on the left, curve the nose, coming down and then up. And we'll step down and draw on the mouth. Starting back over on the left, curve the mouth coming down and then up. And then we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's go back to the center, step down and draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now we're going to move back up and draw the outside edge of the mask. From the top of the eyelid, we're going to step out, curve this up, and then bend that down in towards the brow. Line this up on the right, going up, and then bending that down. Let's round up the side. Starting back on the left, go straight down, and then bend that in. And then pull this across and then up towards the inside. So coming in, and then bending that up. Now let's move out and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the eye, we're going to step out, draw a large half circle, coming down, underneath the mouth, and we'll just pull that back up on the right side. Now from the side of the head, draw a straight angled line, coming down and in. And we'll pull the mask coming in and then up, between the eye and the nose. Come in, and then up, line this up on the right, and then we'll connect the inside with a curve, going up above the nose and then back down. Let's add a small fold in between the eyes, starting on the left, go up and then down. Now I'm going to go back and add in the chin strap. From this bottom point, draw a short line coming down on either side, and it'll follow the same curve of the head, coming down the middle. And we'll pull that out and up on the right. And we'll add that chin piece in the center. Starting back over on the left, curve this up toward the lip, and then back down. I'm also going to add a buckle along the side. From this point, draw a straight line going out towards the side of the head. Go back to the inside, draw a straight line coming down. Let's add a trim on either side. Starting on the left, draw two straight lines coming down side by side. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the top of the head. Starting on the left side, curve the head going out, up and in. I'm going to round up the top of the head, come across, down, and then in on the right side. And then we'll add the ears on the side of the head. On the left, we're going to step up, curve the ear going up, down, and then in. Line this up on the right. And we're also going to add the folds inside the ear, starting on the side of the head, curve this up and out. go back to the inside, curve this out, and then hook that in. Now I'm going to go to the top center of the head and draw on that symbol. Starting at the very top in the middle, start with a point, angle down and out towards the left and right side. And then from here, draw a straight line going out. Let's pull this down and in. And I'll follow that same angle line going down towards the bottom. Let's pull this up and in with a short line. And we'll pull this up and in towards the center point with a straight line going all the way up and then pull that back down. Let's add 2 lines in the center. Going across from left to right, step down, draw that twice. And then we'll add a trim along the side of the head. Starting on the left, angle up and in, line this up on the right, and it'll go straight up towards the top of the head. And then from the top, we're going to step in, draw another straight line coming down towards the same height, and we'll angle that down and in on top of the eyes. Now before we draw on the body, we're going to draw a large circle on the right side for the shield. Starting at the very top, draw that circle, going all the way around towards the bottom, and just pull that back up towards the top. And we'll draw 3 more circles along the inside. Starting from the top, we'll step down, just trace that circle all the way around toward the bottom, and pull that up along the right side and back up towards the top. Let's do that again. Stepping down, draw another circle, and we'll add 1 more. Now we're going to draw that star in the center circle. Starting from the top, angle down and out towards the left and right, go straight out towards the side. And then from the ends, angle down and in, come down and out towards the bottom. And then from here, we're just going to pull this up and in towards the center point. Now that we have that shield in place, let's layer the body in behind. We're going to start on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, curve this out and down in behind the shield. Let's go to the left hip, curve this down, and then up in behind the shield. Now I'm going to go back to the left side, step up and draw on the top of the belt. Just follow that same curve, coming in, and then leaving a gap in the center, we draw 2 lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's go out to the side and draw on the shoulder strap. From the top of the body, we're going to step out, curve out, down and then in toward the top corner of the belt. Now we're going to add some stripes going across the body. Let's start on the left side. Start with a straight line going across, step down, draw another line, step down again, and draw that 1 more time. Let's add that star symbol on the left side. From the top of this line, we're going to step in and go up and in, and then go straight out. And from here, angle up towards the head, come down along the side, and then we'll go straight out. And then from the end, angle down and in, come down and out, just lining this up with that bottom line, and just pull that back in. And then from the inside of the star, we step out, draw another straight angle line going out towards the side of the body. Let's draw the top of that stripe in behind the star. Starting from the inside, draw another straight line going all the way across. Now I'm going to continue working down with the legs. From the bottom of the buckle, let's step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel and curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe on both sides. Now we're going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Let's start from the toe. I'm going to curve this up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and leave a gap on the inside. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. I'm just going to line this up on the right, curve this up and in underneath the shield. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step up, draw a curve to the top edge of the boot, line this up on the right. Now I want to trace this out along the bottom. Stepping down, just follow that curve going across. Let's go back to the outside of the boot, step up, follow that same curve coming halfway across the leg, and then come straight down. From the inside corner of that knee pad, step down, come in, and bend that up. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, step out toward the side of the strap, curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. Connect the bottom of the thumb to the wrist with a curve, going up and then in. Let's add 3 fingers underneath. Starting underneath the thumb, curve the first finger, coming down and then up, step down, curve down, and then up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in toward the top of the strap. Now we're going to tuck the right arm in behind the shield. Starting from the top of the strap, curve out and then down. Let's go back and separate the top of each finger. Starting on the outside, curve down and up, separate the second and first finger. And then from the top of the thumb, draw the edge of the glove, curving up and then out. Let's go to the top of the arm on the inside, curve this up and then out, and then halfway along the seam, angle up and in. And that's pretty much it. There's Captain America from the Falcon and Winter Soldier. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.